Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person. So be sure you do subscribe, hit that little bell. It's going to alert you whenever I put out new content. So I don't know if you can see, I've got a ThredUp box here. It's actually my favorite ThredUp box. I know a lot of people are skeptical and a lot of people actually just buy one-offs and then they kind of are deterred from buying any more. But I will tell you, me personally, from playing the lottery, like scratch offs, I know there is luck in buying 2 to 3 rather than just one. So these boxes are called rescue boxes. They're mysteries. You don't know what's inside of them. So me personally, I like to increase my odds of actually getting a box that's going to cover both of them. So for example, if I see these boxes available, I don't just buy one. I typically buy 2 to 3. Which you're probably like, well, that just increases your odds of getting crap. Okay, it does, but if you kind of look at my track record, I think I've had one, maybe 2 boxes out of 20, seriously, 20, that have not paid and made me money. So all the other boxes I have made money on, and then some, meaning the ones that weren't making me money, well, actually, I mean, I still made money off of those boxes that were kind of crap anyways, because there was like a couple items in there. So yeah, I mean, I made money off of all of those, but there was some pretty fire ones. I mean, the last one before, not the last one before this, but 2 before this, I got a Mara Hoffman skirt, and it just needed one small little stitch. And then bam, you know, that's a expensive piece right there to resell. Obviously, I just listed it, so it hasn't sold yet, but I will keep you in the loop and let y'all know. But without further ado, I've talked so much. So these boxes are $30. After taxes, it's like $32, I think, close to it, something like that. But they are free shipping. So yeah, I'm going to bust it open. I haven't even opened it yet. And I'll show y'all what's inside. All right, so they always put in a little packing slip, kind of let you know what's inside. If you get the Arizona and Pennsylvania warehouse, they usually put in a piece of tissue as well. I find that the Georgia one doesn't really, which is totally fine. But I do save that tissue paper to reuse. All right, the first one is a Hollister Extra Small. So I think before, if I would have gotten Hollister, I would have been super excited about it. But now it's kind of coming back. And honestly, I can resell this at Plato's Closet and it'll do fine. I'm not seeing any damage to that item, which is awesome. So we're starting off good so far. All right, Fashion Nova 2 of 2 matching set. So is this dress? Yeah, it's a dress, but it's new with tags. It's just Fashion Nova, which is probably why it's in here, I would assume. Ooh, Madewell. Let's look this bag boy over. So again, these are scrap fabric boxes, guys. Like, what is going on? Yeah, I'm not seeing any. More than likely, it's just because of the material. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of like a sheer floral kind of material, and I find they put these in there just because they're not sure if there's a snag or anything, or that's just kind of what I feel like is why they put it in there, because I have gotten like Lily Pulitzer, this one was Madewell, and it's like, really? Y'all didn't put those in online? Like, why? But you know what? It ended up with me and I stole it, so let's do it. All right, this next one is Derek Hart. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten Derek Hart in anything, probably because I don't really seek it in the thrift store. But this is a 3X. I wouldn't list it, but I'm going to list that one because it is a plus size. I don't have a whole lot of plus size, and that'll do well. All right, J. Crew collection. I haven't heard of the collection. I do know some J. Crew does really well. Again, this is probably just a piece that is ivory, and maybe it looks like it's stained, or it could just be they're not sure if there's a tear because it's this kind of lacy, I'm trying to think, lacy eyelet material. But again, guys, that's like 4 items so far that no damage. Like, what? Told you, these are my favorite boxes. All right, this one, the tag has been cut out. So it's got a double strap. Let's see. there's any other damage. No, so it looks like they probably just put it in here because the tag was cut out, but let me look. It almost feels like it could be silk. No, it's just polyester, and the tag looks like it's H&M or something similar to H&M, but I'll probably just go ahead and list that. I mean, it's cute. I'll just have my lister add all the sizes to it, especially since there is no tag in there. All right, Calvin Klein size 8. This is actually cute to be Calvin Klein, honestly. I would not typically seek Calvin Klein out, but I think I will list this one, especially if there's no damage. And I say I will list it as like I wouldn't sell it if I didn't list it. If I don't list it and it's in good condition, I'll still try to sell it. For example, I'll go to the buy, sell, trade, sell store like Plato's Closet or Style Encore. Or I have someone who actually works for me. She's kind of like my assistant. She does my social media for a little bit each day. So we trade inventory for work. So this will be something like I would just give to her that she could decide if she wants to list it or not. Okay, so here's the first piece that's a truly scrap fabric, probably because it's got a stain on it. And it's just Forever 21. More than likely I can get that out, but I'm probably not going to take my time to try to get that out. What is this one? This one's got the brand all over it, which could be oh, White House Black Market. That's the first time I've really seen that for them. Interesting. That's cute too. That's not too bad. What size is that? A medium? I mean, it's not something I would wear, but those career pieces, you know, they're sought after by a lot of people, and I get it because those are the cute. All right, let me see. Hollister size medium. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. I like this one. Again, it's a cute piece. It's not really my style, but definitely gonna make some money on it. All right, Exhilaration extra large. So some people would be bummed out to get Exhilaration, but I'm actually stoked because it's an extra large. Is it gonna make me $100? No, but guess what? I pay $2 for my lister to list it for me, and I'll probably sell it for $15. So there you go. After fees, you know what? Poshmark takes $2.95, something like that. So it'll probably be like $10, $10 profit right there. Not too shabby. Every dollar counts. Evan Conan or whatever. So this one, it looks like just the band is kind of just a little bit loose. This is a beautiful dress. Oh, okay. Yeah, so just, if you can tell, it's just one stitch is missing right here, probably just stitching it together. I may, since it's plus size, go ahead and have the lady who does my listings for me have her mom fix it. I pay her mom to sew for me, which is amazing, guys. Like, I have someone who can sew for me now. I have someone who can list for me now. I have someone who can work online for me now. Trust me, though, it's been trial and error, and it has taken years in trying people, friends, and, you know, just family and stuff. So obviously it didn't come overnight, but I'm so thankful for the people that I do have in my corner because it's taken a long time to find them. Exhilaration. This is beautiful. This is a medium. I may keep this one. I think this one could look good on me. I cannot believe these boxes. It makes me just wish I would have ordered more. But you never know which one they're coming from. Okay, Bentley. So this is a vintage piece. Reminds me of like a scrub top, but it's not. Exhilaration extra small. So this is just like a duster. Okay, I'm not seeing, I paused for like ever. You're probably like, is she even still doing the video? Okay, brain fart. So yeah, no tag on this one, but it's like a cover up, a swim cover up. So this will be cute. I still list those, you know, just as like a one size and just add measurements. I can't believe I just had a brain. I feel so silly. You guys are probably like, doo-doo. do. Okay, so this dress it feels cheapy. Let me see if I can find a tag anywhere to confirm. Yeah, it's just Sheen Curve 2XL. I will list this one because Sheen Curve does really well. And honestly, I mean, that's super cute. As far as like, it could be like a princess dress for someone. So Ava and Viv. Let's see. Okay, the button's still there. And the class, is it there? Yep. Okay, so yeah, this is a cute piece. Cute shirt. Again, that's just a Target brand, but there's nothing wrong with it. LuLaRoe, extra, extra, extra small. This is like the first time I saw LuLaRoe in forever. I won't be listing that, even though it's in good condition. Maybe I'll give it to my daughter, though. And the last piece here is just a skirt. Some kind of extra skirt. So let me count and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it ended up being 18 items this time that I am going to actually sell. 2 items that were casualties that or not casualties. One was a LuLaRoe piece that I don't want to sell. The other one was a casualty as far as it was definitely probably scrap fabric, as it had a stain in it. I probably wouldn't list it. So yeah, 18 items is a great deal for $30. I mean, I think the Madewell dress alone will probably sell for that. So then everything else will just be pure profit. So as always, thank you for watching. Do subscribe and hit that bell so you're alerted when the new content does drop. Thank you guys and have an amazing day.